Okay, so this is a quick walkthrough of the quiz app, and I'm currently in the admin tab. So currently so if you have a quiz already, you can put the admin pin and game pin to access the admin panel. But if you don't have a quiz, you can just create a new quiz from this tab. So you just put the name of the quiz and you put a pin as the admin pin. So for this case, I'll just put John, my name, as the quiz name, and I'll just put a password 5656. 5656. Then this is just to make things secured. So I get a message, quiz John created successfully game pin. So he created a random pin for me. Now, if you're not authenticated, you won't see this tab. So I'm currently administering quiz 580 blah blah blah. Then I can see to add questions manually. I can add questions to question bank. Like the question bank is where questions have been fetched from, like a lot of questions for a particular quiz. So I can just manually add, but that is really time consuming. So there's another way to add, which is the CSV file upload. This is also to add questions from a quiz bank to the current quiz. So this is the upload question. So it has to be a CSV file and it has some required fields that must be inside. So I'm just going to select a template. You can get the templates from the description of this video to use. So I'll just select a template. Yeah, this is my template. And I'll just click on upload CSV. Sorry if I didn't type down speak questions.csv. Okay, successfully added 20 questions to quiz 580294 and failed to add 0 questions. So all the questions were added successfully. If there was no question that didn't add, well, to show you there. So that's for that. I'm just going to copy this and just show you how the player will be able to access these questions I've uploaded. So you just enter the game pin and the player name. So I'm still going to use my name, John. So join game, and now I can now see the question. So question 1, I just select the answer. What is the capital of France? The answer choice is London, Berlin, Paris. But I'll just intentionally choose London. So you see how incorrect answers are displayed, but the correct answer is Paris. So correct. Next question. You keep doing that till you finish the questions. Mass, correct. And I keep doing that till I get the question. So I can see the leaderboard. So John is currently having 2 points. You can see that from there. You can also check the leaderboard, the main leaderboard. This is the admin leaderboard to see and to also record answers for users. So you just input the game pin and the admin pin. The reason why this has been because regular players should not be able to access the admin page and see what's happening in the back end. So you can add contestants here, and you can also record answers manually. So I just put my name. So because I already created the contestant John, it appears there. Then the question number, then just put the selected answer. That's for that. Now I want to show you how to load the questions from the CSV. I need to show you how to load the questions from the CSV. So I'm just going to open my Google Sheets and upload my template question. So you see how the questions are structured, the question, the answers, and the correct answers. So there are basically 5 to 6 tables. Just going to upload yes. import data. If you want to record your question, just use Google Docs, that is Google Excel, Google Sheets. Now you see the cables, question, option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, and the correct answer. So you have it in this structure. If it's not in this structure, you're going to get a lot of errors. So it must be. That's why I'm dropping the link to this spreadsheet in the video description, so you can clone it.